Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate quick. We'll cover the essential ingredients and two super fast methods, the microwave and the stovetop. You'll learn how to combine your dry ingredients perfectly and heat your milk gently to avoid scorching. Get ready to enjoy a warm, comforting mug of deliciousness in just a few minutes, perfect for any time you need a quick treat. Making hot chocolate in the microwave is incredibly simple. First, combine 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar in your favorite mug. Add a tiny pinch of salt to really bring out that chocolatey goodness. Pour in 1 cup of milk, stirring thoroughly until everything is well mixed. Then, microwave on high for about 1 minute and 30 seconds to 2 minutes, and it's ready. If you prefer the stovetop, it's just as quick. In a small pot, whisk together 1 tablespoon of cocoa, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Gradually pour in 1 cup of milk, stirring continuously until the mixture is smooth. Heat this over medium-low heat, stirring frequently until you see steam rising. Be careful not to let it boil. Remove it from the heat as soon as it's hot and steamy. Now for the fun part, customization. A splash of vanilla extract can add wonderful depth to your hot chocolate. Feel free to top it with fluffy whipped cream, mini marshmallows, or a dusting of cinnamon for extra indulgence. For an even richer drink, consider using whole milk or your favorite dairy-free alternative. Serve your perfectly crafted hot chocolate immediately and enjoy every warm, comforting sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.